What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a gaming review of J2 Pro 2K18, and I have already posted the unboxing of this smartphone, and in this video I will be doing a short gaming review of this device too, as I usually do. After the unboxing I post the gaming reviews of the devices. And let me tell you the specifications of this device. It is having 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, and it is running on Snapdragon 425, and it is having the Adreno 308 graphics. And you know very well that we use this application, the CPU Z, to see the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. And you can see that battery level is at 70% and the temperature is 21.8 Celsius. Actually it is very cold outside, that's why the temperature is so low. Now we will be moving towards the games. I will just do the gaming review of 3 games, which is Temple Run 2 and Pinout, and at the end I will do one heavy game, the Asphalt 8, which will tell you that how good this device can perform. And overall this device looks good with Samsung Experience 8.5. Many features have come to this device. So now let's start the gaming review, and we have started the Temple Run 2, you can see. And let me just increase the volume of this device. And we are now playing the Temple Run 2, and we will finish these 2 casual games, and after that we will see the battery percentage and the temperature of the battery. Actually this specific application does not show the temperature of the device, but it shows the temperature of the battery. So we will be having a look at the temperature of the battery, that how much it affects and how well the things are optimized. And right now everything is going smooth and perfect. You can see that this device is doing great. The frame rate is just awesome, everything is smooth and perfect, and Samsung is very good at optimizing the things to their UI. Actually they have done with many other devices, which I have posted a lot of videos of their devices. So you can see the game is now playing very well. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will see the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. So now let's move to the Pinout, and we will play this game too. Actually this is one of my favorite games, which I usually play on my personal device. So let's play this game here too and check out that how good this game can be played on this device too. So let's just this gameplay start, and after these 2 casual games we will have a look at the battery percentage and the temperature of the device, which will tell us that how much these games affect the performance of this device. So let me just finish this gameplay, and after that we will analyze the things. So our gameplay has ended. Let's go into this application, and you can see the battery has dropped to 68% and temperature has only increased a little bit. It is only 1%. So now let's move to our final game, which is Asphalt 8, and it is actually one heavy game, and here the things will be analyzed about this device, that how good this game can handle the things. And this one is actually a heavy game with intense graphics. Many devices, actually many mid-range devices, fail to play this game very well, so it will be a huge test for this device to play this game well. So we are just starting this game, and we will have a look on this game, that how good this game can be played on this device. And we are just about to start the game, and you can see the game has already started. And let me just increase the volume to the max, and Right now everything is smooth and perfect. There is no lag. I am not noticing any kind of lag. Everything is just going awesome. That is very interesting to know that this device can do so great, and you can see yourself that the frame rate is good, although the graphics are not so intense as is expected by this low-end device. So I do not expect something very big, but it should play this game well, as the hardware is actually good in this device. So let this gameplay to finish, and after that we will analyze the things which we usually do. That's it guys, this was the speed test comparison, and now let's see the battery percentage. And you can see the battery has dropped to 67% and temperature is still on that level. It is very close to the temperature which was initially recorded, and that's very interesting to see about this device, and I am really impressed by the things it has shown. You can see only 3% has dropped, and the temperature of the device is absolutely amazing. Actually, the environment is also playing a role to keep that battery temperature lower. Maybe in hot weather the temperature may get increased. So that's it guys, this was the gaming review of this device, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.